50 million liters of Luxembourg milk need a new buyer, and that because Lactalis will stop collecting milk in Luxembourg from April 2027. As a result, 68 dairy farms are now looking for a new dairy company to take over. One name that keeps coming up is Arla, one of Europe's largest dairy cooperatives. But Arla says it won't rush into a decision. According to Arla, the challenge isn't necessarily the amount of milk. The bigger issue is making sure that existing cooperative members are protected before new farmers are integrated, and that process could take more than a year. The situation has also sparked a bigger debate. Lactalis argues that there is too much milk on some markets, which puts pressure on its prices. Others disagree, saying global demand for dairy products is still growing and that the real question is where companies choose to source their milk. Read the full article on RTLToday.lu.